Hi, it's me, Max. Welcome to my review of my Fidget Cube. I'll show you where these are. First, I'll show you the buttons. This Fidget Cube has 5 buttons, so you click, but it doesn't click. This one, and these two don't click. And second, we go for the bearings. It's like it has a silver mirror, look. Has some things that you spin. Third, we go for the switch, because it's switch. That looks like it turns off. I mean off and on. And number 2 is the turn around, because may turn it around because it spins. And last but not least is this one. It doesn't spin fast. I hope you all people like this video. Please subscribe on the red button, click on the thumbs up button and make sure to click on the notifications. You can add to my playlist or share a video. Maybe you can watch it later, and please comment down below and I'll comment to you. And see you all next time. Toodaloo!